20 Hindu traditions and the precise scientific reasons behind them. You will really be surprised to know that our forefathers were way ahead of their times and knew a lot about the health and mental benefits of many things that we do not know so much about even today. They smartly molded them in the form of customs for us to follow in the name of religion so that we anyway follow them and avail those much needed benefits even if in the name of rituals or worship. Fasting is not just a mode of showing our devotion towards God. It actually helps in aiding good health by promoting detoxification of the body and cleansing it from inside. After long periods of salty, oily and myriad other foods that we intake, the digestive system weakens due to excessive and continuous work. Thus, a regular or even an occasional fasting period gives it a chance to rest and therefore rejuvenate. We know that the Earth has a magnetic field with an imaginary magnet aligned in the north-south direction. And our body too has a magnetic field of its own, pertaining to the heart and its blood flow. So, when we sleep with our heads towards north direction, the two magnetic fields become non-aligned and cause various health problems such as heart diseases, Alzheimer's disease, brain degeneration, Parkinson's disease etc. This can explain our mythical beliefs of inviting ghosts on sleeping with head towards north. Hindus have a way of showing respect to the elders and the enlightened by touching their feet to seek their blessings. When we touch somebody's feet, it marks the state of our reduced ego or idol worshipping is the basis of Hinduism. We stress on worshipping idols since they help in strengthening concentration. When you are free to imagine, you are more likely to wander off, but when we have a specific idol to concentrate on, we are more easily able to meditate without any mental diversion and thus gain spiritual energy. Our temples are so built strategically as to have the positive energy flowing inside them. It is customary to ring the bell before entering the inner sanctum or the. The mid of the eyebrows, where we apply the. Although it is considered to be a devotional practice to pay homage to the god and also to bring one luck, it is however an ingenious design made by our forefathers to ensure adequate intake of copper by us. In the ancient times when there were only copper coins instead of today's stainless steel ones, making it customary to throw coins in the river water ensured we take in enough copper in our drinking water. Indians believe that piercing ears are a way to restrain speech and increase the calm composure, leading to more listening and less speaking and hence also saving energy. It is a way to develop intellectual power, enhance decision-making skills and increase thinking ability. Henna is not only a great way to decorate and beautify hands and feet but also has many medicinal benefits. It has a cooling effect, hence, when applied to the bride it relaxes her tense and stressed nerves and prevents nervous breakdown, headaches and other stress-related problems common during a wedding. Wearing bangles increases the blood flow in the wrist area due to friction between the skin and the bangles besides since the blood vessels are more topically located there. This also regulates and reverts the electric waves generating in this area back into our bodies since the bangles are round in shape and do not have any end for the signals to lose to the environment. Made by mixing grounded turmeric, lime and mercury, sindoor has two major health benefits besides being symbolic of a married woman. It regulates the blood pressure and increases sexual drive owing to mercury's intrinsic properties. This is why widows are prohibited using sindoor. Moreover, since it's red in color, it also increases the sexual drive in both the partners, red color knowing to exert that effect in humans. It also helps to relieve stress. Generally worn on the second toe, toe ring is not just another jewelry that married women wear. It also has a scientific reason behind it. The silver metal of which the toe rings are usually made of are good conductors, hence conduct the polar energies of the earth to the body. Another important reason being, the second toe has the nerve connected to the uterus and passes to the heart, hence, wearing toe ring on this toe strengthens the uterus and regulates the blood flow as well as the menstrual cycle. The cross-legged position or the. Spicy and tangy food triggers the digestive enzymes and ensures smooth digestion process of food. While sweet items being heavy on carbohydrates makes the digestion slower. Hence, in Hindu tradition meals are always commenced with spicy and ended with sweet dishes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.